How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home in this epidemic of COVID-19. I am teaching class 7 English Literature, chapter 6. The name of the chapter is The Dinner Party. This story revolves around a dinner party and an issue that becomes a point of discussion between the men and the women folk. This story revolves around a dinner party and there is an issue. Issue means problem that becomes a point of discussion. The matter that becomes a point of discussion between the men and the women folk. Now let us read and understand the story. The country is India. This story takes place in India. A colonial officer and his wife are giving a large dinner party. A colonial officer and his wife are giving a large dinner party. Colonial officer means high rank officer in army. Colonial official means high rank officer in army. With his wife they are giving a dinner party. They are seated with their guest. Army officers and government attaches and their wives. Who are the guests? Army officers, government attaches and their wives. Government attaches means people who work at embassies, usually with special responsibilities for particular areas of activities. People who work for the particular areas of activities, and their wives are also sitting in the party. And a visiting American naturalist. Naturalist means a person who studies animals, plants, birds and other living things. Naturalist means a person who studies animals, plants, birds and other living things in their spacious dining room. Spacious dining room means the room which has plenty of place, which has very much place, which has a bare marble floor, open rafters and wide glass doors opening on a veranda. Rafters means sloping pieces of wood that support a roof. Open rafter means there is a sloping piece of wood which support the roof. A spirited discussion springs up between a young girl who insists that women have outgrown the jumping on a chair at the sight of a mouse era and a colonel who says that they haven't. A spirited discussion. Spirited discussion means discussion with full of energy. Discussion with full of energy. Springs up means appears, develops. Between a young girl who insists, who says forcibly that women have outgrown the jumping on a chair. Outgrown means moved beyond. The jumping on a chair at the sight of a mouse era. Era means a period of time. And a colonel who says that they haven't. But the colonel, the army officer says, no, they haven't. A woman's unfailing reaction in any crisis. Unfailing means trusted reaction. And crisis means a time of difficulty or danger. In the time of difficulty or danger, the woman has trusted reaction. The colonel says is to scream. It is what they shout. In the crisis they shout. And while a man may feel like it, he has that ounce more of nerve control than a woman has, and that last ounce is that counts. Woman has very little controlling power, but the man has more than woman. Their nerve has control than a woman has, and that last ounce is what counts. The American does not join in the argument but watches the other guest. The American who was their naturalist, he does not join in the argument but he was watching. As he looks, he sees a strange expression come over the face of the hostess. When he looks, he sees that the expression was strange over the face of the hostess. Who is the hostess? The wife of colonial official. She is staring straight ahead, her muscles contracting slightly. With a slight gesture, she summons the native boy standing behind her chair and whispers to him. She is staring. Staring means looking minutely, straight ahead, forward. She is looking minutely. Her muscles contracting. Her muscles are becoming less, smaller, slightly, with a slight gesture. Gesture means movement of head, hand, face. She summons the native boy. Summons means calls. She calls the native boy standing behind her chair, who was standing behind her chair, and she speaks softly to him. The boy's eyes widen and he quickly leaves the room. The boy's eyes widen, it became broaden, and he quickly quit the room. Of the guests, none except the American notices this or sees the boy place a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open doors. Among the guests, none except the American notices. Only the American sees this or sees the boy. What does he see? He put a bowl of milk. Place a bowl of milk means put a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open doors. He put a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open doors. The American knew. Today I have taught you up to here, the open doors. Remaining part of the lesson I will teach you in the next class. Thanks.